Research shows up to 25% of your home's energy is lost through inefficient windows. This is due to inefficient windows, which can lose up to 48% of your home's heat in the winter and allow up to 87% of unwanted heat in the summer. The good news? According to Energy Star, upgrading from single-pane to energy-efficient double-pane windows can save up to $465 a year. Exact savings will depend on energy costs, home construction, climate, and the NFRC ratings of your windows. Window energy efficiency is measured with the following ratings. U factor measures heat loss through a window. Lower numbers are better. Solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC, measures how much solar heat windows let in. Lower numbers equal more heat blocked by the windows. Air leakage, how much air enters through a window. Lower numbers are better. Visible transmittance measures how much light passes through a window. Higher numbers means more light is let in. Condensation resistance, a window's ability to resist condensation on its interior. Higher numbers are better. Look for these numbers on the NFRC label and for windows with the Energy Star label. They meet or exceed government energy standards. Zen Windows, online quotes for energy-efficient windows without the hassle.